I just want to note I'm looking forward to some new features actually in PowerPoint in combined with Copilot. Um, One of them is that you'll be able to upload to create it based on Excel, a presentation, which is interesting. I don't know how successful it will be, but yeah. And the second one is actually that it will let you choose from what resource of um, images do you want to pick. Do you want to
Oh, cool.
pick it from the one that Microsoft provides? Do you want to pick from the organization asset images that you have? So, or do you want to get it from combined? So that's
Yeah.
these are two things that I'm looking forward to see. What I noticed is currently, if you have the latest thing, you could choose also a PDF in addition to Word, and
Oh,
also a
cool.
TXT file. So maybe if you have a TXT here, you could might see it in the list.
Yeah. I've got some
So
Word
you have a
documents. I've got
PDF.
some PDF. Let's see if I have any text
You have a wait.
documents.
You have a Excel. That's interesting. I
Yeah.
don't know if it will let you, but yeah, but
Let's see
it
if it can turn a
it, mi-
PowerPoint
it, it
into
might.
from my invoice. Parav, this is a group that I taught
This
with
is
in 2023.
this is a new feature. So that imagine that you can take a Excel and it will take the insights and then yeah, it depends on how complex this Excel is. But
This is a pretty
wow,
simple Excel. It's a standard, like an invoice template.
okay.
So there we
So
go.
just look, wow, that's something I'm watching for the first time. So I don't know what's the content of the Excel, but it might make sense.
It's an
Yeah,
invoice, so it may have some pricing
yeah,
here, but
yeah,
I'm not
but
working for them anymore, and
yeah,
um,
but
it was
just
pretty standard
imagine,
MCT rates.
imagine that you're taking an Excel and creating out of it insights.
Yeah,
That's crazy. Wow.
yeah. It looks like if I keep this pretty small, it doesn't give away
Yeah,
any of the pricing necessarily. But this was
yeah,
pulling from an invoice. So imagine if this was quarterly profit loss statements or something else,
yeah.
for the business. That might be super helpful. Thank you, Ami. I hadn't tried that.
Whoa. Well, I haven't seen this feature, but I was looking forward. So
Yeah.